Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English Writing Journey for Beginners. In Activity 8, we're going to learn about double negatives. Double negatives happen when you use two negative words in the same sentence, and it makes the sentence confusing. It's like putting on two raincoats when one is enough. For example, if you say, "I don't have no pencils," it sounds like you have pencils because the two negatives cancel each other out. But what you really mean is, "I don't have any pencils." Here's an easy way to remember this. Only use one negative word to say something is not happening or you don't have something. Some common negative words are no, not, never, nothing, nobody. So instead of saying, "I can't find nothing," say, "I can't find anything." Okay, think of it like math. Two negatives make a positive. In a sentence, it just gets confusing. So keep it simple with just one negative word. Now, let's look at the directions in Activity 8. Number 1, read each sentence carefully. It is very important to concentrate on the information you are reading. Number 2, find the double negative in the sentence and underline it. And number 3, rewrite the sentence correctly using proper grammar. Okay, now let's try example number 1. I don't have no pencil. This sentence has a double negative. The words don't and no indicate negatives, so let's underline these words. There. Now, we rewrite the sentence so it reads, I don't have a pencil. We know it is singular because pencil does not have an S. Therefore, a singular noun in this case requires the article a to precede it. That means before it. All right. Now let's look at example number 2. It reads, they didn't hear nothing outside. Again, we have two negative words in this sentence. The two negative words are underlined. Didn't and nothing. So the correct way to write this sentence is, they didn't hear anything outside. So far, so good. Now, let's start working on the task. The directions read, underline the double negatives. So the directions say you don't have to rewrite the sentence, but it is probably good practice to rewrite them anyway on your own. But for the sake of this video, we will just look at underlining the double negatives. Let's get started. Number 1, she didn't do nothing all day. Pause the video and underline the two negatives in this sentence. If you underlined didn't and nothing, you are correct. We're just getting warmed up. Now, look at number 2. It reads, I can't find no books on the shelf. Pause the video and underline the two double negative words. If you underlined can't and no, you are correct. Okay, I think you're ready to do numbers 3 through 10 on your own. Pause the video and underline the double negatives. When you are finished, play the video and we'll go over the answers. We'll do this as a countdown to add a little more dramatic effect. What do you say? All right, get ready. Number 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The double negatives are don't and nothing. Number 4.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The double negatives are doesn't and nobody. Number 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The double negatives are don't and no. Number 6.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The double negatives are can't and nobody. Number 7.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The double negatives are hasn't and no. Number 8.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The double negatives are didn't and no. Number 9.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The double negatives are don't and no. Number 10.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
The double negatives are didn't and nothing. Great work! Now, as good practice, rewrite all 10 sentences correctly on your own. Make sure to have words correctly capitalized and make sure there's proper punctuation at the end of your sentences. If you like this video, please like and share it with others. New to the channel? Hit that subscribe button and continue working on your English language skills. Be sure to drop us a comment. Let us know how we're doing, or if you have a question. Be sure to visit our website at iwtle.com to get all the up-to-date information about the textbooks and also for articles related to language learning. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.